Hey guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for joining me again. Please, if you are new to this channel, do remember to subscribe, like this video, and also share with your friends. Today I'm going to be showing you a very important oil, which is lemongrass oil. Okay, so here I have fresh lemongrass here, which we are going to be making the oil from. Lemongrass oil has so many health benefits and uses. The oil can be used to relieve pains. It can be used to treat fever, stomach upset, and it can be used as box repellent. It has antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antifungal and antibacterial properties. You can use it on your hair, on your skin, for different purposes. So today you are going to see how lemongrass oil is made. If you're finding it difficult to use the knife, you can easily use the scissors to cut this. It makes it easier. I'm transferring this into a bowl to rinse. The amount of lemongrass oil you use depends on the quantity of oil you want to extract. Okay, I'm going to be using this for another recipe, so I'm going to just use this quantity. Once I'm done rinsing this, I'm just going to leave this in the strainer and allow the water to drain out. Okay, here is the lemongrass. It has dried, the water has reduced from this. Now I'm going to place this in a mortar. I'm just going to slightly pound this just to soften it. You can just use a mallet to hit this. You may not need to add this to the mortar. You will need a carrier oil. I'm going to be using olive oil. You can use sunflower oil, almond oil, or coconut oil, or any oil of your choice. So I'm just pouring this to cover the lid. I'm just going to use a spoon to stir this around to make sure the lemongrass are fully immersed in the oil. When you are doing this, just make sure you avoid water as much as possible, so you don't end up with water sinking down at the bottom of your oil. Okay, next I'm just going to place the pan on heat with water. This quantity is okay, so I'm going to drop the bowl containing the lemongrass into this. I'm going to allow the water to heat up together with the oil. The method I'm using is known as the double boiling method. This has started boiling. I'm just going to use a spoon to stir this around. Okay, I've been stirring this for the past 1 hour. So if you look closely, the oil has been infused. This is obvious. I'm going to stop stirring this. Okay, I'm just going to turn off the heat and allow this to cool down. The lemongrass oil has cooled down. I'm going to strain this right away. So I'm just pouring this over a fine strainer. I'm just using a spoon to press out all the oil from the leaf. Just make sure you get the oil out of the leaf. Okay, here is the strained lemongrass oil. I'm going to transfer this into a storage jar with a fitting lid. This has a golden greenish color. I love the color. It smells very good. Lemongrass oil can be used to relieve stress, pain, depression and anxiety. So I'm just storing this into my storage jar. Just take a look at this. It looks very good and it smells nice, and I love it very much. I'm going to place the lid over this and store this in the fridge. So guys, let me know what you think about lemongrass oil. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Until next time, see you shortly. Bye.